So I don't know what happened, but I just got home and saw that there's like steam coming out of my engine, and like everything in this side of the engine bay is wet. Like that's wet. Ugh, I got some of the smoke in my mouth. It tastes kind of sweet. I didn't mean to, but just I have no idea what happened. I didn't hear anything like pop or anything like that. But like all this in here is like wet now. Is that oil? I don't know what it is. That really sucks, man. I just changed the oil in this recently. I mean, it should still be brand new. Not brand new, but... It looks like something popped or exploded or something, but... That sucks, man. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look good.